Get ready for your summer adventures with Morrocco Method's all-natural hair and skincare products. For 1 week only, take 30% off our travel sets of shampoos and conditioners. These 2-ounce bottles are the perfect size for a carry-on or a backpack and come with a tote to keep you organized on the go. Even more of a minimalist or have a long hike ahead? Our shampoo and conditioner sample packs are also included in this sale, and at just half an ounce per bottle, you can pick and choose your favorites to hit the trail. No showers? No problem. Our volcanic dry shampoo keeps your hair protected from the elements while absorbing excess oil. Pack a small mixed boar bristle and nylon brush to keep your hair feeling its best. Morrocco Method's hand and surface sanitizer gel also works in a pinch to sanitize hands when soap and water aren't available. Whether you're hiking through the mountains or lounging on the beach, our products are the perfect way to keep your hair healthy, beautiful, and nourished. Shop Anthony's favorite products for travel and camping now, before this deal is gone.